So, what is the Enagic MLM company all about? Is Kangen Water worth the hype or just another permanent scheme? So, in today's review, we're gonna address a few questions. Is it a scam? How does the Enagic MLM business work? Is it worth buying into? And are there better alternatives? So stick around till the end of the video because this video is going to give you all the information that you're going to need to make an informed decision. But in addition to that, I have a free gift for you as well. So make sure you watch right till the end of this video. So who am I and why should you listen to me? So my name is Rupesh and I am the owner of this channel, Passive Income for All. I have been working in the make money online space since 2015. I first started in the health field and doing my day job, and one day I started hearing these crazy ringing noises in my one and only good ear, which is my left ear. I could not do my job properly, and even with a hearing aid, listening to music and watching movies was never the same. At that point in time, that's when I decided I knew I needed a backup plan just in case things would get worse. And that's when I got into the make money online space. However, it was not a walk in the park. I had a lot of different experiences. I tried, those mediocre opportunities like the Get Paid To websites. I tried online surveys. I even got my fair share of getting scammed online. Nevertheless, it was all valuable lessons, and I'm grateful that I stuck it through to eventually finding genuine and supportive online communities and training programs. And these pushed me into the right direction. And today I'm happy and I'm grateful for the success that I received, and I'm happy to be able to speak to you. So, if you like to learn to make money online or would like to know about legit ways to build an income, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. And I just want to draw out the disclaimer that I'm not an affiliate for the Enagic MLM business opportunity. This means that I don't receive any money from this program or anyone related to the program for making this video, nor do I make any money if you go ahead and decide to join this course or business opportunity. But I am an affiliate for other programs, and that means if you decide to go ahead and purchase from any of the links that I post in the video description, I will earn a commission, but not to worry. These are at no additional extra cost to you. And my pledge is that I will do my best to provide you with my most accurate, honest, and unbiased review, not only for this video review, but for all the other programs that you'll see on my channel. And you'll have enough information to make an informed decision on what to do. So, what is this program all about? Enagic is a Japanese health and wellness company founded back in 1974 in Okinawa. It specializes in high-end water ionizer machines that produce what is known as Kangen water, which is alkaline, filtered water marketed for its potential health benefits. Over the past 4 decades, Enagic has grown into a global brand with a presence in more than 20 countries and strong appeal in the wellness, fitness, and personal development communities. So, whether you're buying a 4,000 water machine or starting a side hustle, Enagic markets itself as a lifestyle opportunity. So, the core products is, of course, the Kangen water ionizer machines, and one of the examples is the Leveluck K8 and the ST501. The core industry this company is based is, of course, the health and the wellness industry with a focus on hydration and home wellness technology. And the business model is the multi-level marketing business model. So let's just quickly talk about what is the multi-level marketing business. It's a model where people earn money by selling products and also by recruiting others to join the business. When you sign up, you earn a commission on products that you sell. You can also earn from sales that your recruits make and from the recruits that they bring in as well, forming a downline. So it's like sales plus team building. Now, Kangen water is ionized alkaline water created by the Enagic machines through a process called electrolysis. So these devices they actually split regular tap water into two parts, the acidic and the alkaline parts, and its focus is mainly on the alkaline portion, which is the part that is claimed to offer better hydration, antioxidant benefits, and improved pH balance. Fans that have used this filtered water say that Kangen water tastes fresher and makes people feel lighter, making it a popular choice in the wellness community. So, how does the Kangen business work, or how does a program work? Well, first of all, the compensation program, you have to join the program as a distributor, and that's by purchasing a Kangen water machine upfront in order to get started. The price can range anywhere from $1,980 up to $6,000 depending on the model that you decide to purchase. Then you can sell the products. There's no monthly fee, but your machine purchase is your skin in the game. You'll also get free or up-led sales training, led sales training. You can earn commissions. Your main focus is, of course, is moving Kangen machines, and each sale earns a commission plus a slice of potential bonuses as you scale up. I just want to show you that to earn money with the engineering business, you have your direct sales, and this is where you can earn large commissions from selling these machines or ionizers. You can go up to $340 to $680 or more per sale, depending on the model. Then you can also earn via team sales, and this is where you get paid smaller cuts from machines that are sold by anyone who is part of your downline. You can go up to 8 layers below you. You can also earn bonuses, and this is where you can reach certain sales goals and global rank levels to snag higher payouts. And then there's also incentives, special incentives. Certain months you can add extra cash bonuses for top sellers. So, like I said, the energy compensation plan has got a unique 8 point system, and this 8 point commission system is where each machine sale earns payouts shared up to 8 levels of distributors. So, the more you sell, naturally, the higher earnings per sale plus bonuses for your entire downline. So, the big question is the energy business program scam. And in my opinion, Enagic is not a scam. They are selling real products, which is, of course, their water machines, and it operates legally as a multi level marketing business. However, its business model raises red flags for some. You must purchase a pricey machine to become a distributor, and your earnings often depend more on recruiting new members than just product sales. So while the top earners do exist, most people will struggle to profit. That's what I believe. So it's legit, but it's also high risk, especially if you're not someone who is into team building or high ticket selling. Let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of this business program. Is that the pros or the good parts of the program is the product is real, high quality. So it's just not another starter kit that you're going to be buying. You're going to be buying something that you can use, or it's not a digital item. The commissions can be significant because of the high product price, and there's no monthly auto ship pressure. It's one and done for the major buy-in. The bad parts of the program is, of course, as you have seen from the price of the different models, there's a significant startup investment that's required. you need to buy a machine just to become a retailer. There's unproven health claims. The majority of the health claims behind Kangen Water are not proven by clinical research, and the typical distributor doesn't make much after factoring into the costs. Top earners are outliers who either know the MLM game or they already have huge networks. Okay, so now we've come to the final verdict. Enagic offers a real product backed by years in the wellness space, but the opportunity isn't for everyone. If you are passionate about health tech, if you are skilled at selling high ticket items and open to recruiting, there is income potential. However, the steep buy-in, the reliance on recruitment, and the overhyped health claims make it a risky bet for the average person. For those seeking flexibility, low startup costs, consider the alternatives. Choose wisely. Your time, money, and energy matter. So, are there alternatives out there? There are alternatives where you don't have to do any recruiting, where you don't have to make monthly product purchases, where you don't have to follow complicated compensation plans, and where you are not pressurized into selling anything. And one such opportunity that I'd like to introduce you to is, of course, high ticket affiliate marketing. And this is a business model, it's a newbie friendly business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. The benefits of this model is that there's no recruiting necessary, there's no need to worry about sales support or customer queries. You don't need to own your own product. You can choose products you like to promote. It's of course 100% online, so you can work from anywhere. More benefits of this model is you choose the hours, whether it's full time or part time. So if you have a job or other commitments, you can do it whenever you have some free time. There's low startup costs. It's a beginner friendly business model to learn and execute. Of course, like any other legit business model out there, it will take effort and time on your part. And you don't have to focus on volume in order to reach your income goal. Remember, I said it's high ticket affiliate marketing, so that means you might only need to sell one, two, or three items or four items, but it really does depend on what your income goals are. There are more benefits. It does have the potential of earning you a passive income once you get it up and running. And of course, once you got it to a point where it's earning you a consistent income, you then are in a position to decide whether you want still want to stick to your day job, and you can create a life on your terms, and that's when you will have time and location freedom. Now the question you might be asking yourself is, how can you get started with this business? And my answer is simply by checking out my free gift. And where is my free gift? Well, before I tell you that, what is my free gift? Well, it's an access to a free online course. You don't need your credit card to sign up to it. You will see proof that this course does work and people are making money with it. But you're also going to get some really cool bonuses that can help you get started with getting traffic to your business, and you'll see six five figure earners who are doing it via social media. So thank you very much for checking out my Enagic MLM review. I hope that it has helped you out. Go ahead, like and subscribe to keep up to date on what is happening in the world of online business. And like I said, that free gift is waiting for you in my pinned comment or in the video description below this video. It was awesome to speak to you. Look forward to checking out in my next video, and I wish you everything of the best in your success as an entrepreneur. Thank you and take care.